Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry. Start by building a strong foundation. Truly understand the basic principles before tackling more advanced topics. Regular practice is key, so work through many problems to solidify your learning. Don't forget to use visual aids like diagrams and models. They can make abstract concepts much clearer and easier to remember. This approach will set you up for success. To truly master chemistry, engage actively with the material. Creating flashcards for key terms, formulas, and reactions is incredibly effective for memorization. Try teaching a concept to a friend or even just explaining it aloud to yourself. This process reveals gaps in your understanding. Always attempt practice problems on your own first, resisting the urge to peek at the answer too soon. Developing consistent study habits is crucial for long-term success in chemistry. Make it a point to review your lecture notes soon after class. This significantly improves recall. Forming a study group can provide a supportive environment to tackle difficult concepts and gain new perspectives from peers. Remember, taking care of your physical well-being, including adequate sleep and nutrition, directly impacts your ability to learn. To truly excel, try to connect chemical principles to real-world examples. This makes the subject more tangible and memorable. Never be afraid to seek help from your instructors or a tutor when you encounter challenging topics. They are there to support your learning journey. And speaking of support, check the description for a link to some fantastic socks and other great deals. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll master chemistry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.